Hello and welcome to my YouTube crypto channel where I'll be talking about how to make money from crypto trading. Today, I'm going to be talking about getting high. That's right. Let's look at the famous PotCoins. These are all the marijuana related coins, and coming up to 420, which is a famous time for marijuana smokers. They have marijuana rallies, and it's just a big day, 420. I'm not actually sure why that is there. Anyway, PotCoins are very popular. They have very good backers, very good companies, very good fundamental stories. And today I'm just going to walk you through 4 coins that I just invested in or just bought. And I'll show you the levels as well, and let's just, I guess, look right in my computer as to why I'm getting these. So let's look at the first one. The first one is POT on Bittrex, and you can see I've got my buy order down here and my sell limit. That's 100%. That's 100% profit, and you can see it's very low. So I like to take coins where I can make 100%, and it's not even reaching the highs.
Smoke weed every day.
If we draw a fib based on these last highs, even not from the top, you can see the buying window is down here between 61.8 and 78.6, so well below that. We're really in an amazing range here. So nobody's buying, nobody's talking about these because they're really like low at the moment, so nobody talks about them, but this is the best opportunity to buy. You can see that it just came into Willy Stupid up here, so it's being slightly oversold, so I bought it because that was an indicator that it's going to go up. I probably could have waited. I do, as you can see, have buy orders lower down. I like to get on the trend as it rides up, and because I'm way below this reload zone, this area where you can rebuy, I'm still happy with that, but I set a buy order down below at this little gap anyway. Alright, let's move on. This is CCN, which I think is some sort of cannabis coin or something like that. And again, it's massively below value. I got it right here. Even if you draw the trend lines off of this last range, you can see that 78.6 is right over here. So I'm below 78.6. I've just bought. It's stagnant. My sell limit of 100% is not even breaking these previous highs over here. So that's quite a good one. Next one is THC. Again, you can see all of these pot coins are just really low down in value, so they could really have a boost coming up to 420. What's the date today? The date is the 10th of April, so we've got 10 days before this could kind of have a seasonal oomph, so to speak. And then into the spring and summertime, you might see these rise up to previous highs even, and these doubles will just go pinging off like crazy. That's what happened last year. So you can see here with THC, again, we've got the range here. We're well below 78.6. I've got buy orders down here at the gap, and if it comes down any lower, I'll set another buy order down there. But at the moment, I've got that double upside. I've already sold at 100%. I've got my sell orders waiting. That's a really important tip. When you make these low bid offers, make sure you set your sell orders immediately after the order goes through, and don't wait for the market to come up to your sell order and then start your sell order. And the reason is because you get lots of spikes like this. You see these big wicks, here. They just spike up and spike down, and if you're not there in the day ready to take that trade, you'll miss it. So you can see I've got my sell order here, so if it does another spike up and down, my sell order will go. So that was POT, CCN, THC, and my last and favorite one, because it made me a ton of money last year. You can see I bought down here, sold. So big doubles, and you can see it's coming down here into value. This is where it just broke out the W. If I draw a basic fib, you really don't need me to at this point, but you can see off these highs, the 78.6 is here, and really off the real highs, 78.6 is up here. So you can see quite amazing. I've already set my sell order at 100%. This is, if it broke previous highs, it would go to 500%. So that's it. I'm getting high in the next few days with all these pot coins. Hopefully they'll get high with this, and I'm looking forward to it. I'll let you know the results. April 20th. 420, very famous for the marijuana industry. So let's see what happens with these PotCoins over the next 2 weeks. And there's just a tip. So if you want to get in on this action, go for it. And I hope you enjoy getting high with me. Take care and have an awesome day.